Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to look at a few common words, names, and phrases that are used in the Kikuyu language. We'll start with kwĩmenyithania. 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 When you look at this, we start with kwĩmenyithania. Kwĩmenyithania means introducing yourself or making yourself known. If you look carefully, you'll find this word Menya. Menya means know or understand. So if you look carefully here, you'll find there is Menya. The root of the word is Menya. Menya is know or understand something. So Rĩĩtwa, rĩaku is your name. Rĩĩtwa is name. Rĩaku is your. It's a possessive. Aku means your or something that belongs to you. That is Rĩĩtwa, rĩaku means your name. Wĩtagwo, atĩa. Called, how. Wĩtagwo, you called. Atĩa, how, which means what is your name. Wĩtagwo, atĩa. Njĩtagwo, again. Njĩtagwo Wanjiku, ewe. I'm called Wanjiku. What about you? Niĩ just means I. Niĩ, Njĩtagwo, I'm called Mwangi. Mwangi, I am called Mwangi. And so that is about names. Another way of talking about your name, instead of Njĩtagwo, like we can find here, Wĩtagwo, Njĩtagwo, you can talk of Rĩĩtwa, rĩakwa nĩ. So Rĩĩtwa, rĩaku is your name. Wĩtagwo, atĩa is what is your name. But you can choose, instead of saying niĩ Njĩtagwo Mwangi or Njĩtagwo Wanjiku, you can talk about the name first. Rĩĩtwa, which is name. Rĩakwa, possessive for first person. Nĩ is Wanjiku. Ewe, so Rĩĩtwa, name. Rĩakwa, my. Nĩ is Wanjiku. What about you? Ewe. What about you? Ewe. Right, so alright. Rĩĩtwa, rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi. My name is Mwangi. Try saying your name. Try to ask this question. The few vocabularies that we have learned in this lesson include Rĩĩtwa, which means name. Atĩa, which is what. Where, which is you. And this should not be confused with where. There's where and there's where. Where is you? Where is that person? Nĩ is. Menya is know or understand. I have a small exercise for you. Just read aloud these sentences and also answer the questions they are asking. Thank you.